Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about one of the most advanced artillery systems in the world, the RCH-155 Howitzer. Recently, this weapon has made its way to Ukraine, and it's already creating headlines. But what makes it so different from traditional artillery? Why is it considered a game changer? And what does it mean for the future of modern warfare? Let's break it all down. The RCH-155 is not just a regular gun. It's a remote-controlled, self-propelled howitzer built on an 8-wheeled Boxer armored vehicle. That means it's extremely mobile, capable of reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and covering a range of 700 kilometers without refueling. Despite weighing around 40 tons, it only needs 2 crew members to operate thanks to its highly automated design. On top of that, it uses a fully remote-controlled turret with a 155mm gun firing up to 8 rounds per minute. This makes it fast, deadly, and efficient. In terms of range, the RCH-155 can hit targets at 40 to 54 kilometers, depending on the ammunition. That's already impressive, but when paired with modern precision-guided shells like Excalibur or Volcano, the effective range can stretch even further while maintaining pinpoint accuracy. Imagine this. The system can fire from well behind the front line, stay hidden from enemy fire, and still deliver accurate strikes on critical positions. This combination of speed, distance, and precision gives Ukraine an edge in its defensive and offensive operations. Now let's talk about Ukraine. Back in January 2025, Ukraine received its first batch of 54 RCH-155 systems from Germany. Ukrainian soldiers immediately began testing them on the battlefield. During trials, however, some technical issues were reported. These were mainly related to integration with their existing combat management and command and control systems. Remember, every army has its own software, communication methods, and battlefield structure. Integrating a new high-tech weapon isn't always plug and play. That's why KNDS, the manufacturer, is now working closely with Ukrainian forces to fine-tune and optimize the system for real combat use. The big question is, when will we see these howitzers actively deployed in combat? According to KNDS, deliveries could be finalized later this year. However, the company has stated that Ukraine itself will make the official announcement when the systems are fully operational. This shows both the sensitivity and the importance of the weapon. Until then, testing and refinements are ongoing. But the momentum is clear. Ukraine is preparing to integrate this advanced artillery into its arsenal. Interestingly, KNDS is not stopping here. The company is already working on a new variant of this platform, a version designed to shoot down drones while moving. Yes, you heard that right. A system with the same mobility as the RCH-155, but equipped to counter UAVs and loitering munitions. Considering how important drones have become in the Russia-Ukraine war, this development could be revolutionary. This weapon also has a much bigger story. It's not just Ukraine that's interested. Switzerland, for example, has already decided to purchase the RCH-155 to replace its aging M109 howitzers. Across Europe, many NATO members are upgrading their artillery systems to prepare for modern threats. Traditional, heavy and slow artillery is being replaced by lighter, faster and smarter systems. The RCH-155 perfectly symbolizes this shift, mobility combined with precision. So why is the RCH-155 important? Because wars today are not fought the same way they were 20 or 30 years ago. Mobility is everything. Artillery that can move fast, strike precisely, and stay hidden has a massive advantage. For Ukraine, it means hitting Russian positions while staying outside of counter-fire range. For NATO, it means adapting to the new realities of warfare, where speed, automation, and networked systems matter just as much as raw firepower. To sum it all up, the RCH-155 is more than just a howitzer. It's a statement about the future of warfare. A future where artillery is no longer slow and vulnerable but smart, mobile and integrated with digital battlefields. Ukraine's adoption of this system marks an important step forward, and its success could shape how armies around the world modernize their forces in the years to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, stay tuned for more such detailed explainers on modern military technology and geopolitics. See you in the next one.